Are you thinking which is the best app for screen recording in 2025? So let me tell you, for me, there are three criterias that I was looking for, and I was looking for almost 2 hours of wasting my time, and I found it. It's actually free to use, which is insane. So I'm gonna donate to the creator, Alisa X. So what was I looking for? I was looking for, what's the name of the app? I'm not gonna waste your time. It's Screenity, okay? But let me compare it to a few other apps that I've tested. Yeah. So we have Loom. It doesn't even let you annotate. If we have Zoom. Yeah, you can record with Zoom, but it's super low quality and it has latency. We have OBS. It's just complicated. I have downloaded it. I've actually been a streamer before, so it's possible, but it's just so much extra stuff to deal with. I just don't want to do it. Yeah, even though I can go into the technical rabbit hole, it's just not worth my time. I want to put it on higher arbitrage moments. Yeah. What else do we need? We need a good audio quality. You know, and then we need annotations. I just love to annotate. Zoom has some annotations. Awesome Screen Recorder has some, but Screenity has all of these in one. I don't know how it's going to be in the future, but right now it's the best I found. So there's another one called Awesome Screen Recorder and like video capture or something. The name is not the most creative, but amazing app. Just doesn't have blur background because I don't want to show everything behind me, and I want everyone to focus on this beautiful face. So you should get something that has a blur background if you want to do screen recordings, in my opinion. And then annotations, again, really important if I want to show something to workers, to someone. And this app doesn't have any limits, right? It's free to use and doesn't have any limits. So those are important things you want to have in a recording app, right? Loom has 5 minute limits, I think, which is annoying, too short. Here on this app, actually, the developer, she worked it in that I can put my own limits just to push myself, but not too little that I need to do a few different recordings, right? So yeah, a lot of these things. I tested some app called, I don't remember the name, but um, yeah, it was just horrible. The audio sounded so bad. The annotations were okay, but everything has to be user friendly, right? This app Screenity is user friendly. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to watch other videos on how to automate stuff, I'm gonna actually um, go through my workflow and how I take notes with Dynalist, which is 100 times better than Notion for me for what I do. If you want to get more into productivity, how I do it, go see my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.